And then, the next part of sound check is when we do songs about trains. We gotta make sure that is working. And, I'm curious about, I know Andy and Roger and all these guys back there, they got shit they're doing at sound check too, probably. Usually, we'll play all this bluegrass stuff for sound check, and then at the end, Andy's like, can you get heavy for me for a second? Can I hear the... So, and then another thing we do is try to make stuff feedback. See how many of these crazy effects I can get going before it just starts going womp. Try to stay right below that. Probably pretty hard for Andy. I mean, this is an acoustic guitar, so it picks up. Yeah, that's right. Andy, gain her up till she feeds back and then just take her down the hair. So maybe we'll try to, I don't know, test our effects in a minute. But first we gotta do a train song. Train that carried the girl from town. Hey, 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 hey. Well, there goes the train that took my girl from town. If I know flag her down. Hey, I had my gun and let the hammer down. I shoot that train that took my girl from town. Hey, the train that carried the girl from town. Hey, 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 hey. Can you show me the woman that a man can trust? There goes my gal, someone bring her back. She got her hand in my money sack. Hey, the train that carried the girl from town. Hey, 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 hey. Table over the coffee's getting cold. Somebody around her stole my jelly roll. Hello, say forgive me 609. I'd like to talk to that little girl of mine. Hey, the train that carried the girl from town.